हरिः कर्ता।
Now, let's try to understand the terminology which is connected with association, rule, mining, and the character remains same and our entity remains same here. So the grocery store and the Prasad is the shopkeeper or owner of the grocery store. So let's begin. So first one is item set. An item set is a collection of one or more items. In our case, an item or an item set could be a combination of different grocery items that a customer purchases together. For example, milk, bread, a diaper. A set of milk, bread, a diaper represents an item set where a customer buys milk, bread, and diapers in a single transaction. So that is one item set. So next, what we have is K item set. A K item set refers to an item set that contains a specific number of items. For instance, if we consider an item set with 3 items like milk, bread, diaper, it's a 3 item set. It's a 3 item set. Then we have the very important terminology and term which is support count. Support count. That's V. The support count represents the frequency of occurrence of an item set in the transactions recorded by the shop owner or shopkeeper Prasad. For example, if Prasad's records show that the item set which is milk, bread, diaper appeared in 2 different transactions, the support count for this item is 2. The support count for this item would be 2, and that you can see clearly on the screen. Let's take this item set. Basically, this is set, an item set. This item set milk, bread, diaper. So bread, diaper, milk, diaper, bread, milk, diaper, bread, milk, diaper. It has been repeated 2 times. The purchase has been repeated 2 times in 2 transactions. So that is the reason support count for this set, this item set milk, bread, diaper is 2. So next, the most important term which is support. Support S. So support is a measure of the fraction or percentage of transactions that contain a specific item set. It tells us how frequently an item set appears among all the transactions. For example, a milk set, an item set of milk, bread, diaper. It has been appeared 2 times in all transactions of the data set. So support count, I got 2 for that, and the total transactions that we have here is 5. So 2 divided by 5, which is 40 percentage, and the support is 40 percentage, and that's how we calculate a support. So support is a measure of the fraction or percentage of transactions that contain a specific item set. So next what we have here is frequent item set. A frequent item set. A frequent item set is an item set that has a support value greater than or equal to a minimum support threshold set by shopkeeper or shop owner Prasad. So this threshold helps identify item sets that occur frequently enough to be considered significant. For instance, if Prasad sets a minimum support threshold of 30 percentage, the item set milk, bread, diaper with a support of 40 percentage would be classified as a frequent item set. So in simple terms, Prasad analyzes the transactions in his grocery store to understand which items are frequently bought together. So he defines an item set as a collection of one or more items. The support count and support help him to determine how often an item set appears among all the transactions. So Prasad is particularly interested in frequent item sets, which are items that occur frequently enough to be considered significant based on a minimum support threshold he sets. So by identifying frequent item sets, Prasad can gain insights into customers' purchasing habits and make informed decisions such as arranging related items close to each other in the store or offering special promotions for frequently co-purchased items. So this helps Prasad optimize his store layout and marketing strategies to better serve his customers.